Today I'm going to share how to make nankhatais at home, just like we get in the bakeries. Nankhatais are these delicious cookies, and we usually buy them from bakeries, and we need just a few ingredients to make them. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We need 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida, half cup of gram flour or besan, 2 to 3 tablespoons of Sooji or semolina, and half cup of butter softened at room temperature. We would also need half cup of sugar, a pinch of baking soda, little cardamom powder, a pinch of salt, and some dry fruits for garnishing the nankhatais. I have taken cashews. We also need a tablespoon of ghee, which I have not shown here, but you will soon see where I'm going to add it. So first I'm adding the maida or the all-purpose flour to a sieve, and then the besan. The Sooji, salt, we just need a pinch of salt, a pinch of baking soda as well, some cardamom powder. So these are all the dry ingredients that we are using for making the nankhatais. Now we will pass them through the sieve and collect them in this bowl. We will add the butter to a mixing bowl and beat the butter at low speed for at least a minute. Next we will add half cup of sugar to this butter. Beat the ingredients from medium to high speed. Keep beating until the mixture turns white and fluffy. And now the mixture is ready to be combined with the dry ingredients. So here's the dry ingredients, and we will add the butter and sugar to this. Now you can see how fluffy they have become. Now add the butter and sugar to the dry ingredients and combine them together. You may use an electric hand mixer to initially combine them, but then you have to use your fingers to blend the ingredients together and make it into a nice dough. Now this is the point when we will add ghee. Now I have added a tablespoon of ghee to the dough. Knead the ingredients very well and work them into a smooth, perfect dough for the nankhatais. So the dough is ready. Preheat the oven and set the temperature at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then we will grease the cookie tray or a baking sheet. Now you may or may not grease since the surface is already non-stick. So this is an optional step. Now take out little portions of the dough and roll them and flatten them in between your palms to give the perfect nankhatai shapes. Just like this, make dents on the center of these portions. Now you can see the cashew nuts have gone over these dents. This is exactly how your nankhatais should look like. The nankhatais are ready to be baked. Bake them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for around 10 to 15 minutes depending on your oven. Now, for me it took around 10 to 12 minutes to bake the nankhatais. The nankhatais are ready. They are beautifully baked and they would just melt in the mouth. They are so delicious. Store them and enjoy every bite of them. Like, share and comment if you like my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Follow Sohini's Kitchen on both Instagram and Facebook. The links are provided in the description of this video. Thank you for visiting my channel and keep visiting for more recipes.